Well, here we go. Lesson number 7. This one I thought I would talk to myself. We could be a little quicker and more understanding. You learned a lot of definition already of the biodynamic teaching teams. What is biodynamic craniosacral? Innately driven, ordering matrix. The body designed to adapt. Fluid motility. The greatest honor of your session, to be engaged with the rhythm of life. And now we're learning about the science of the structure that protects that. You learned about the cranium yesterday, your skull. That's hard fascia. And the spine. And today we're going to talk about the fascia itself and the meninges. So come on, let's look over here. Fascia is actually a collective word for connective tissue. Anything in our body that has hyaline, collagen, cartilage is considered fascia. 60% of our body's form is considered connective tissue. See the white here of the muscular system. It knits every cell, tissue, organ, system, muscle, bundle, and bone. Knits you in place. Fascia is designed for safety, protection from trauma, to resist gravitational pull, and to allow the stasis, the homeostasis of the body to adapt. Never sleeps, always working to protect us. And you also learn that 60 to 80% of your brain cells are fascia. Yeah, look at here. They're called the glial cells. Every neuron of your brain has 60 to 80 glial cells. You have more fascia in your brain than you do neurons by number. And really the first fascia, structurally, were the meninges. If you take this right here and let's try to imagine the shape of a tadpole. Think of 3 perfect membranes. Yeah, they were there first by your 6th to 8th week. The very core sleeve the brain and cord before you even formed. Here you see a picture of the meninges of the spinal cord. Credit goes to Dr. Albager with his institute. Wonderful science. Meninges in Greek means a membrane. You can see them there, the dura, arachnoid, and pia mater. You can see all 3 of them pulled away. The dura mater is the strong outermost one, underneath the bone of your head and spine. Strong, tensile, white. Impossible to rip apart. And you can see the arachnoid underneath that one. Yeah, that's a Greek word. It means it looks like a spider web. You'll see why in a minute. And the pia mater, the intimate one, prayerful, mother as it means in Latin. The first one that will cover the brain and cord. Blood vessels to nourish the nervous system. Produce spinal fluid. Crucial to how we adapt. And here you can see the meninges of the brain. Let's take this piece right here and let's make it big. There you go, meninges and venous sinuses. You see the scalp on top, the bone of the cranium, and there you go. There's your 3 membranes again. Our brain actually has 2 duras. You can see there on the left, the endosteal or periosteal, which means in the bone, and the meningeal, which means it continues down the cord. And there's your arachnoid. Yeah, it means looks like a spider web. In Greek, looks just like a web. That subarachnoid space has your spinal fluid in it. And the third one, there's your pia mater again. The intimate one. Right on top of our brain and cord. Well, that's some pretty basic fascia. We're going to connect tomorrow to talk about the fascia of the brain itself, of the dura, which you already have learned of the falx and tentorium. So see you again. Hope you enjoy lesson number 7. Bye-bye.